Hello, Pre-FS. Good morning. I'm so happy to be here with you today. It's literacy time. Let's sing a song together. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the place. Oh, what memories with this cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Well done. Can we repeat it one more time? Let's go. I want to hear you. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the place. Oh, what memories with this cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Well done. Hello, Pre-FS. Who can guess now the letter that we are learning about this week? Do you want to get a hint? What letter is this? Yes, you got it right. J. What's the sound of J? J, J, J. Well done. Okay. So one more time. What sound is this? J, J, J. What sound is this? J, J, J. Now we are going to learn about some vocabulary that start with the sound J, J, J. Are you ready? I know you are. Okay, let's go. What do you think this is? Say it again. Yes, jelly. J, J, jelly. So jelly starts with the sound J. Another guess. Do you know what is this? Yes, well done. Jacket. Jacket. Jacket starts with the sound J, J, J. All right. What about this one? Yes, you got it right. Jeans. Jeans start with the sound J, J, J. All right, another one. Juice. Juice. Juice start with the sound J, J, J. Okay. What about this one? Ooh, yum, yum. Jam. J, J, jam. Well done, PFS. All right. What about this one? Jet. J, J, jet. Last one. Yes. J, J, jump. J, J, jump. Well done, Pre-FS. Now, Pre-FS, let's learn how to write the sound J. Okay, but first, I want you to remember my lines. Do you remember them? I know you do. But let's say them one more time. What's the name of this line? Top line. What about this one? Dashing line. What about this one? Bottom line. Okay, so now we want to write the sound J. Where do we start, Miss Sara? We start at the dashing line. Okay, here is my dot. I started the dashing line. Down, hook, dot on top. One more time, we are going to write lowercase j. Where do we start? Dashing line. Let's start. Down, hook, dot on top. Well done. Now you know how to write the sound j. Okay, quick revision Pre-FS. This is how we write the sound J. Down, hook, dot on top. Down, hook, dot on top. Well done. What sound is this? J. What sound is this? J. J, j, jam. J, j, jam. Well done. J, j, jelly. J, j, jelly. Okay. J, j, jacket. J, j, jacket. Okay, next. J, j, jeans. J, j, jeans. J, j, juice. J, j, juice. J, j, jump. J, j, jump. J, j, jet. J, j, jet. Well done, Pre-FS. Now you know everything about